So, welcome back to our Random Habit channel, and hopefully we could crack some packs. Medyo marami-rami pa to. Drip feeding content. Let's try to open 2 or something before going to work. Yeah, I hope. Let's make it quick. So, kumusta kayo guys? ASMR, charis. Cloudbound Moogle, is it dark? Yo boy. Cloudbound Moogle, iba naman na yung pinipindot ko. Cornered by Black Mages. Precious Wanderings. So, ang dami nang nagsisilabasang Avatar The Last Airbender. We has hype, others so I'm glad. Maybe I will order the beginner's box in German and the commander deck in English. Syempre, booster box in English. Para may iba din. So, Garnet ulit. Fire Magic. Bartz and Boko ulit. Oh my god. Sinos, Yay Galvus. This is new. I don't have this. Shiryu, Transcended Rival. Good. Magic Damper. And Waste. And a Hero Token. Baka kaya pa ng isa. Let's open another. Oop. Dapat isa-isa lang eh. Pero, dami tayong oras. Para mabawasan na din kasi parating na yung Edge of Eternities na in-order natin from Games Island. Fate of the Suncrist, Marlboro, Yashel Green. So iba siya. Yung binili nating tingi-tingi, nauna yung mga mythics or something, but here nasa huli siya. So that's the difference, I guess. Another Overkill, Gratia, Cool. Uy! Side quest. Oh! Magic card. So, bago to, Balthier and Fran, the rabbit from the FF12, Shantoto, nice. Vector Imperial Capital,